Last month, a 19-year-old accused in the early October Montgomery mass shooting was released on bail 4 days after his arrest on an attempted murder charge. Montgomery's police chief says that case has exposed a major loophole in Alabama law, and he's calling for change. Karenna Shadoan explains how voters could play a role in closing it.
Under current Alabama law, attempted murder isn't included under Aniah's law, meaning judges can't deny bail for it. Chief James Grayboys says that needs to change, and he's urging lawmakers and voters to act. Just 2 weeks after the October 4th mass shooting, 19-year-old Javorick Whiting was arrested on an attempted murder charge. Just 4 days later, he bonded out on a $60,000 bond, the maximum for that charge. Aniah's law allows judges to deny bail for certain violent crimes, like murder, kidnapping, and human trafficking, but not attempted murder. And that's exactly what Montgomery Police Chief James Grayboys says must change.
There's a couple of loopholes. One is making sure all violent felonies are included. Two is whether or not a person arrested for a violent felony has an opportunity to make bail before they have an opportunity to see a judge who can determine whether or not they should be released in the first place.
To Grayboys, that means closing the gap that picks and chooses which violent crimes qualify for bail denial.
So my take on it was, don't cherry pick it. All violent felonies should be added to it.
He says officers are seeing more cases where someone arrested for a violent crime is already out on bond from another.
There's too many times that we might arrest for a violent felony, a robbery or something, but we find out that they were actually out on bond for a robbery they might have been arrested for a month ago.
A proposed expansion of Aniah's law would add attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and shooting into an occupied dwelling. Ultimately, Alabama voters will make the final decision to expand Aniah's law during the May 2026 primary. In Montgomery, Karenna Shadoan, Way 31 News.